Hello traders, today is the 19th of July. We had amazing trade guys today. Euro yen, we also had a dollar yen nice long trade, but the euro yen we also had a beautiful long trade here. Let me explain to you. Pretty straightforward guys. Price, as soon as the price broken this resistance, we went long from yesterday, and today this morning, as explained, if the market is gonna break this previous high, take another long here. The target around this level, which is price nicely hit, even the price nicely broken. We had this beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price developed a sideways market, and after this one, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price came back and give us the confirmation, retest this level. That's the high probability of long. Momentum was bullish, nicely hit to the first target, which is the first flip channel, and that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it when you see it in real time. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community guys. Have a nice day.